Since the 28th of May, North Korea has launched around 1,000 poop balloons towards South Korea over the span of a week. These large balloons are filled with excrement, cigarette ends, and other rubbish. This unusual act is in response to balloons sent by North Korean defectors living in South Korea. These balloons contain leaflets that criticize the North Korean regime, dollars, and USB drives loaded with South Korean dramas. The South Korean government has strongly condemned North Korea's poop balloons and announced an overwhelming response. This includes suspending the 2018 military agreement, which served as a minimal safety measure between the two Koreas. Additionally, South Korea is preparing to resume loudspeaker broadcasts, which North Korea finds highly provocative. In response, North Korea has stated that they will retaliate 100-fold if South Korea sends more balloons. The exchange of balloons between the two Koreas is escalating military tensions. Let's take a look at how the media and the Korean public are reacting to this situation.
풍선에는 풍선으로 맞불. 김정은 정중하게 사과하라.
The first news item uses the intriguing expression
matbul,
which means counterfire. Originally,
matbul
refers to a tactic used to control wildfires by intentionally setting small fires to prevent their spread. However, in this context, the word
matbul
is used metaphorically to describe a retaliatory attack.
matbul
Is typically used with the verb
놓다,
forming
맞불을 놓다.
and is commonly applied in the context of conflicts between two nations or parties.
불쏘시개 지목된 대북전단. 정부, 표현의 자유.
The next news item uses the Korean word
불쏘시개,
which means kindling material that ignites easily to start a fire. Metaphorically, it refers to something that initiates a significant event. The article's title explains that the cause of the poop balloons is the leaflet sent to North Korea, criticizing the regime. Most Koreans are remaining calm about these poop balloons, but some believe the issue should be taken seriously and properly addressed.
웃고 넘어갈 일은 아님. 다음에는 뭘 넣어서 보낼지 모름. 우리나라는 휴전국. 똥풍선이라고 웃고 넘어갈 문제는 아니다.
Both individuals are using the expression
웃고 넘어가다,
which combines the Korean verbs
웃다,
meaning laugh,
넘어가다.
meaning dismiss. It's used when people don't take something seriously that should be taken seriously, like the current Korean poo balloon war. Although these balloons filled with rubbish might seem funny now, next time they could carry infectious agents or drugs, potentially ending up in front of our homes. This shows the reality that it is a ceasefire, not the end of the war between the two Koreas. Along with the balloon war between the two Koreas, we learned 3 Korean expressions,
맞불,
meaning counterfire,
불쏘시개,
meaning kindling,
웃고 넘어가다.
meaning laugh off. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.